We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including Capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MyMathLab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 4. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. So here is our instruction file. It is just getting open. Then we have to click on enable editing. Then change its size so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video we will discuss Excel 4G recreation. Just increase its size, change its color, and here is project description. So we have to increase its size and change its color so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video we will discuss Excel 4G recreation. We will discuss this assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get 100% marks. But before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment. How many points we have in today's assignment? So in today's assignment, we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have 17 questions. Then last one is just like 18 is non-graded one, okay, in which we have to save and close the file and submit. Okay, so we have just 17 question in graded part. So let me start today assignment step by step. The name of today assignment is Excel 4G recreation. Now we are just moving toward project description. In the following project, you will assist James Davis, recreation director, in creating and modifying pivot table report and pivot chart report. So that was just simply project description. We have to read project description so we can get idea what we have in project description, how we have to solve that one. So now we are moving toward graded part. Steps to perform instructions. So in first question we have to open Excel workbook. Okay, this one that we have already downloaded from Pearson. So first we have to open, we call that a solution file. Okay, so we are just opening the solution file. Then click enable editing. Okay, so first part is done, in which we have to open our Excel file that we have downloaded from Pearson. Now we are moving toward question number 2. In question number 2, click cell A2 and then insert a recommended pivot table by choosing the blank pivot table option in a lower left corner of dialog box. Okay, so first we have to move toward cell A2. Okay, so first we have to click on a cell A2. Where is A2? Here is A2. Okay, then we have to insert recommended pivot table by choosing black pivot table option in lower left corner. Okay, so for that click on insert a recommended pivot table and there is blank pivot table option, click on there. Okay, then we have to add month field to the filter area. Okay, where is month field? Here is month field. We have to take to our filter area. Then add a center field to the row area, center field to the row area, and program a field to the column area. Okay. Then what we have to do next, place the amount field in value area. Now we have to place the amount field in value area. Then close the pivot table field list. Okay, now we have to close that one. So question number 2 is done. After solving question number 2, we have earned 10 marks from there. Okay, so in question number 2, we just click cell E2, then insert a recommended pivot table by choosing the blank pivot table option in the lower left corner of dialog box. Then we have to add the month field to the filter area, center field to the row area, program field to the column area, place the amount field in value area. After inserting all field according to condition, then we just simply close the pivot table field list. Okay, there is one note. Okay, if you are Mac user, that is important. That note is for you people. Okay, Mac user, move field as necessary so that they are placed in correct areas of layout section. Okay, so question number 2 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 3. Now format the values in the pivot table using number category to display a zero decimal place, thousand separator. Okay, now we have to make show. First we have show field list, then here is values. We have to put number format there, then number format, and then display zero decimal place, thousand separator. That is already zero decimal and thousand separator. Okay, simply press OK. I'm done. So question number 3 is done. After solving question number 3, we have earned 6 marks. Okay, in question number 3, we have to format the values in the pivot table using number category to display zero decimal place and thousand separator. We have done. Now we are moving toward question number 4. Insert slicer for programs and a center field. Now we have to insert slicer for program and center field. So we have to select this pivot table, then there is pivot table analyzer, here is insert slicer. So we have to insert slicer for programs and center. So there is program and there is a center. Click OK. Then filter by Brad Hall Senior Center and ceramic and watercolor revenue. So where is Brad Hall Senior Center? And then from here in next we have to ceramic and a watercolor. Okay, so ceramic and watercolor. Okay, then move the program slice so that its upper left corner align with upper left corner of cell E3. So where is program slice? We have to put that in E3. Then move the center slicer so that its upper left corner align with H3. Now we have to move that to H3. Then make a copy of the sheet and then name the copied sheet Brad Hall. So now we have to copy the name from here. Okay, so we just copy the sheet, right click, there is move or copy option, create copy, move to the end. Then the name of copies sheet is Brad Hall, BRAD, Brad Hall. That's enter. So question number 4 is done. After solving question number 4, we have earned 13 marks from there. Okay. So in question number 4, what we have done, we have to insert slicer for the program and center the fields. And then after creating a slice, then filter by Brad Hall, Senior Center and Ceramic and Water Cool or Avenue. Then move program slice so that its upper left corner align with upper left corner of cell E3. Then move center slice so that its upper left corner align with H3. Then make a copy of this worksheet and then name the copied worksheet Brad Hall. So question number 4 is done. After solving question number 4, we have got this one. Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 5. Display sheet 1. Clear the filter from slicer and remove a slicer from a worksheet. Okay. So now we have to move toward sheet 1 here. Then we have to clear the filter. So from here we have to remove field. So clear will be filtered. Then rename the sheet. Then remove slicer. Okay. Now we have to remove slicer also. Or right click. Then there is a remove. Then right click and there is a remove. Okay. Then next, now we have to rename the sheet 3Q or avenue. Okay, so we just copy this one, then or right click or rename, paste the name. Okay, so question number 5 is done. In question number 5, we have to display sheet 1 and clear the filters from the slicer, then remove slicer from the worksheet, then rename the sheet 3Q revenue. Okay, so question number 5 is done and we have earned 5 marks from there. Remember that in today's graded part we have just 17 questions and we have done first 5 questions till now. Now we are moving toward question number 6. So insert a pivot chart using a stack column chart type. Now we have to insert a pivot chart using a stack column chart type. So by using this pivot table, we have to insert a pivot chart. So click on insert pivot chart. And what type of pivot chart? Stack column pivot chart. Okay. So pivot chart, then stack. Where is stack column pivot chart? Yeah, this one. Then move chart to a new sheet. The name of new sheet is 3Q revenue. Okay. So we just copy the name from there. Then select this chart. There is a design option, click on design, and there is a move chart option. Then a new sheet, the name we have already copied. Now simply press OK, so that will be moved to next sheet. Okay. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, what we have done, we have insert a pivot chart using a stack column chart type, then move chart to a new sheet named 3Q revenue chart. After solving question number 6, we have earned 7 marks from there. Okay. Now we are moving toward question number 7. In question number 7, we have to apply the layout to chart layout, then hide all field button on the chart. As the chart title, we have to in this third quarter program revenue and then insert a custom footer with file name in left section. Okay, So in this way we will solve question number 7 and we will get 6 marks. Same way we will solve question number 8 up to question number 17 step by step. So in today's video we have discussed almost half of assignment. You may see we have 16 to 17 question in grade report. Out of 16 to 17 we have done first 7 to 8 question, mean half of assignment is done from our side in today's video. So in today's video we have discussed Excel 4G recreation. In start we just discussed project description, then we just move toward grade report and we have solved question number 1, then we have solved question number 2, then we have solved question number 3, 4, then we have solved question number 5, 6, then 7. So we have done first 7 to 8 question in today graded part. Okay, so we have done almost half of assignment, but if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Remember that your result will be 100%. File will be ready in next 30 minutes and price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. You may also contact me for other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, Power BI project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 1 hour. Result will be 100%. Price will be reasonable and you may also contact me anytime I'm available. Okay, so in today's video we have discussed Excel 4G recreation. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.